Just 'cause I'm leaving, it don't mean it. I won't be right by your side.
Hey guys, so wanted to come to you guys, make a quick little video for you, show you that it is still snowing out here. It's clearing up a little bit here and there, but right here is where people have already like cleared off snow so they could walk. But if you look, it is still clearly snowing here where I live in Texas. A lot of you know I live in San Antonio, Texas, so it is very obvious that that is where I live. Like I said, there are people here hold on. Okay, sorry. But like I said, there are a few people on here that have come at me in the past about posting videos and saying where I'm from and where I live. But you know what? It's okay, because where I live, like I said, is San Antonio, Texas, and clearly, you know, people know where I live because I do have my P.O. box in my bio or in the link below. But I wanted to show you guys, you know, this is where my mom's apartments are. Well, this is my mom's apartments, like I said. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys the snow. Clearly, you know, all of you know, well, most of you know, like I said, I live in San Antonio, Texas, and this is not normal weather for us. We are used to hot summers, things like that, but all this is like where people have cleared off, where you don't see snow, is where people have cleared off so that they could walk. Later on tonight, there is supposed to be ice, sleet, and snow. So, I'm just showing you guys the apartment complex. What it looks like, things like that. Clearly, we do have stores open, things like that. But as you can see, there is snow everywhere. We are not used to this type of weather. So, it is pretty deep. So, you know, I can move it around, things like that. It is pretty deep, like I said. And I clearly just wanted to show you guys this and make a video for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I know I haven't been posting on YouTube a lot, but I try. See, it's all over the cars, everything. I'll take you guys back over here in just a second. But okay, so I'll take you guys a little further. So this is my mom's porch or front area. Clearly, it is still snowing here, and like I said, we are not used to this type of weather. So I'm gonna take you guys to the other side. You can see, like I said, it is coming down, guys, and it is supposed to be like this for a while. Look at the trash can. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. Okay, so clearly you just want to pick up some of this snow for you guys. So yeah, all over my hands. But this is the other side of my mom's apartment complex. Like, this is across the street of her apartment. So just gonna clearly go up here, show you guys all of these apartments. I mean, the snow is everywhere, as you guys can see, and it is still coming down, as you guys see. But this is I'm gonna go up here a little bit. Okay. Oh, it's a hill. But as you guys see, it is over there coming down. See it going down on cars, things like that. And we'll go back down here. Okay. So it is just everywhere, guys. So I really hope that you guys are, like I said, enjoying this video, because it is clearly snowing here in Texas, and we're just not built for this, guys. Like, literally, we are not built for this. But anyway, I wanted to clearly just show you guys the apartment complex in San Antonio, Texas, and what we are going through right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, so here are some pictures of the snow. This is just a picture of me standing in the snow taking selfies. Here is another one of me. So yep. And then there's another one of me coming up right here. So yeah, I'm just taking pictures, guys, remembering this moment. And then the next picture that is coming up is just pictures of the apartment complex, where certain areas that has lots of snow and certain areas it's kind of clearing up, but it's perfectly okay. But this is another area of snow where I took the picture. And then the next picture coming up is just another area of the apartment complex. And then the next picture that is going to be coming up is going to be another area of the apartment complex. I think this is where my mom's apartment is, right here. And then the next area is going to be on the other side of my mom's apartment complex. And then this next area, I believe, is my mom's front porch area. And then this next area is going to be the area down by the office area. So as you can see, there is quite a bit of snow still on the ground here in Texas. And then this is just another area of my mom's apartments. And then this next area coming up is going to be just a different area of the apartment complex. Back there behind that fence is the road where all the cars are going by and everything like that. So this is some steps right in front of my mom's apartments. So it's my mom's steps right there. And then the next picture is just going to be me again, taking another selfie in the snow. So yeah, just trying to make the best of it, guys, making memories. This is my mom's front porch when it started to melt a little bit yesterday. And then this is 2021 picture, snowstorm 2021. Thanks for watching, guys.